In this video, we're going to take a look at how to fix the goals bug in your game. If you're at this point in the game and you're watching this video, then you should have your start screen made. You've got your players moving, and then when you get to the end, you make a clone, and we broadcast you in. Now, one of the problems we have here is if I come up and do this, try again. It comes back to the start. So we're going to have a look at how we can fix that. So first of all, I'm going to start that and I'm going to stop my program. First thing I want to consider is how to make sure when we get our player to clone at the top here, that my enemy character can't still knock him and take a life off. So I'm going to go to my chicken. I'm going to take this one here. And we're going to say when touching color, we're going to get our chicken to go to a specific spot. If I look here, if I put my chicken here, he's covering up the blue and he is not touching our NPC. So there's no way he can interfere with the game anymore. So that's perfect. So I'm going to get my chicken to move here to create a clone and then to go back to the start. Now, the problem we have at the moment now is that we have two other objects here that have the same color. We don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do is for each of our sprites in the costume, we're going to change this one ever so slightly. So I'm going to use my fill tool. I'm going to pick my color. Let's go to this. And I'm going to change it so it's a different color to anything else that's on the screen. So this time I'm going to go with a neon blue. Okay, and I'm going to fill that there. And then I'm going to go back to my code. I'm going to go back to my chicken. And this time I'm going to move my chicken over. So this one here I've changed. So I'm going to put my chicken there. So again, he can't interfere with the game. If he's there, I'm going to duplicate this code here. I'm going to get my go-to. And swap that for this one here. And then I'm going to say when touching color. So we might need to zoom in a wee bit here. There you go. To make sure the white outline is nice and bright. Click on that. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing for my third sprite. So this one here, make sure I've got the right one. Choose our costumes. Change the color of this one. Maybe make this really. Well, we've got green already in our game. We've got yellow on some of our things. So let's go purple. Pink. That should do it. Okay, and again, I'm going to do my best to make sure it's a color that doesn't already exist in the game. Fill that in. And go back to my codes. Go back to my chicken. I'm going to duplicate this. And I'm going to select the color. So again, making sure I've got the color that's right in the middle. So when we touch this, we're gonna go, let's put my chicken where I want him to go. And there he is, covering the spot, and he's not interfering with the game anymore. Put that there. Attach that to here. And there we go. That's our goals bug fixed. So now, this my chicken touches a goal. He sits up there and he can't interfere with the game. Yeah. Now, you may want, when your win comes up, you may want your chicken to hide. So if we want to do that, we can just go to control, not control, sorry, events. When I receive, we win, and we hide. Okay, and that's how we do that.